Shoutout sa'yo, Utol Dogs! Sabi niya, Coach, okay po kaya itong set ko? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whole body workout, dumbbell workout with 30 minutes, walk, treadmill. Friday, Saturday, walk 30 minutes, treadmill. Sunday, Monday, rest. Alright, una sa lahat, Utol, I want to honor you dahil napaka-active ng lifestyle mo. Ayos yan. However, yung sinabi mo na Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whole body workout. So, meaning to say, nagbubuhat ka using your dumbbells. For me, it's too much. It might lead to overtraining. Bakit? Kung effective na yung workout mo ng Tuesday, paano siya magkakaroon ng chance makapag-recover kung Wednesday and Thursday pa ulit, if full body mo ulit siya? Alright? There's two sides of the coin. Yung training and yung recovery. Walang mas importante sa kanila. Hindi more training, more results. Hindi. Kung quality yung training mo, dapat quality rin yung recovery. So if I were to do it, mag-full body ako ng once, maximum twice a week, and in between, puro walking lang to keep myself active para magkaroon ng active na lifestyle. And hindi ko i-recommend talaga sa kahit na sino yung 2 araw na magkasunod na full body workout. Yung 2 araw na magkasunod na isi-stimulate mo yung same muscle groups. Alright? Ganito lang yung concept niyan. Sa high intensity training, ang pinaniniwalaan namin or ang inaral namin, and there are evidences and studies that support this, na pag nag-workout ka effectively at na-activate mo yung growth mechanism, ang nangyayari sa exercise, nasa stress at nadadamage yung muscles. Alright? So growth doesn't happen during workout. Alright? It's merely a stimulus. Stress at damage ang nakukuha ng muscles mo dyan. Alright? After that, it takes a few days para mag-heal siya. Maybe 2 days, 3 days. Para mag-heal pa lang And then after na nag-heal siya, tsaka pa lang nagkakaroon ng growth. Alright? So yung ginagawa mo na Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it might lead to overtraining, and at the same time, hindi mo nabibigyan ng chance na makapag-recover yung katawan mo from your Tuesday workout. So, if I were to do it, I'd spread this maybe Tuesday and Friday, ang full body workout. And then, walang rest day. Kung hindi, lahat ng yung 5 remaining days, puro walking yun. Puro 30 minutes na walking sa treadmill. That's how I would do it if I were you. But personally, ang ginagawa ko ngayon is daily, minimum 5,000 steps per day to have an active lifestyle. And every Sunday, nagpo-full body workout ako. High intensity training para ma-activate yung growth mechanism ng katawan ko. And then, I give myself 6 long days for recovery. And so far, I am growing bigger and stronger. Nasa 3rd week na ako ng body transformation ko. And take note, kakabalik ko lang galing sa knee injury. And so far, sobrang effective niya sa akin. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more tips.